The Kaaba, also spelled as Kaaba or Kaaba, is a sacred site located in the center of the Grand Mosque in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It is considered the holiest place in Islam and is the focal point of Hajj, the annual pilgrimage that all able-bodied Muslims are required to undertake at least once in their lifetime. The Kaaba is a simple, cuboid-shaped building made of granite and stands about 43 feet high. It is covered with a black cloth embroidered with Quranic verses in gold thread. The structure is believed to have been built by the Prophet Abraham, and his son Ishmael, as a house of worship for the monotheistic worship of Allah. Muslims believe that the Kaaba is the earthly house of Allah and that it is the direction in which all Muslims should face while performing their 5 daily prayers. It is also believed to be the place where Adam, the first human, first worshipped Allah, and where the Prophet Muhammad received his first revelation from Allah. The Kaaba is surrounded by the Grand Mosque, also known as Al-Masjid al-Haram. The mosque can accommodate millions of worshippers during the Hajj pilgrimage. The black stone, a sacred relic believed to have been sent down from Jannah, heaven, is embedded in the eastern corner of the Kaaba. Pilgrims perform tawaf, a ritual of circling the Kaaba 7 times counterclockwise, as part of their Hajj, or Umrah, lesser pilgrimage, rituals. The Kaaba is an important symbol of unity for Muslims worldwide, and represents the spiritual center of the Islamic faith. It serves as a place of prayer, reflection, and connection to Allah for millions of Muslims every year.